the process partner, securing the future of omega-3 distillation. In the high-stakes world of omega-3 molecular distillation, purchasing the equipment is only day one. The real profit lies in maintaining peak operational efficiency over years of continuous service. Recently, our engineering team traveled to the UAE for an intensive 3-day technical mission at a key client facility. Our goal wasn't just to service a machine, it was to deliver our process service guarantee. Working again, a multi-stage short-path distillation, it requires a surgeon's approach. Over 3 days, we guided the on-site team through a complete deep cleaning protocol. We didn't just scrub the surface, we conducted a targeted visual inspection, replaced critical main seal rings, and performed complete tightness tests. The result: we restored the equipment's deep vacuum degree and heat transfer efficiency back today, one factory baselines, but a true one. Stop Solution Provider doesn't just fix hardware, we transfer competence. We optimized their working temperature gradients to prevent material degradation and corrected the vacuum pump operating sequences to protect the equipment's lifespan. By sharing decades of our R&D and equipment innovation directly on their factory floor, we ensure clients' operators can run these complex systems flawlessly and independently, from civil planning and customized process design to precision manufacturing, commissioning, and lifetime after-sales support. We don't just build machines. We build long-term performance guarantees, ready to optimize your distillation process. Contact our engineering team today, and let's grow together. This deep on-site collaboration gives us the ultimate manufacturer's edge, because we analyzed their exact plant layout, utility stability, and project economics in person. We are now custom engineering their next phase. We aren't just supplying standard parts, we are fabricating precisely tuned equipment designed to fit perfectly into their existing production line. The vacuum degree was optimized even better than the standard model.